teacher. Hi, my name is Dorothy Grehana from Panisa. I'm from SK Batu Pupils. I'm the group leader for this innovation. I understand the innovation idea. I have my teacher to explain the idea to my friend. Hi, I am Aubrey Zawiana Lakisham. I am from SK Batu Pupils. I am the innovation manager. I have my teacher manager the paper and five. I record the marks for the test. Hi, I'm Isabel Izan. I'm from SK Batu Pupils, the photographer for
Innovation.
I take picture and
Videos. And record videos.
Bye.
What happened before innovation? Number one, it is hard for pupils to understand when to use the focus grammar in sentence correctly. Next, mostly the idea of using grammar focus based on the singular and plural rules is difficult. And last but not least, pupils cannot write sentences independently. That's why they need this innovation.
What is Tspie kit? Tspie kit has one pie chart and 20 picture charts. In the picture, star are given to mark there is and there are. In 20 picture cards, star picture number and now are given. It helps pupils to write sentences from focus grammar, number, and nouns. Who use this spy kit? 10 pupils from year 2. These pupils are from level 1 and level 2, performance level PN.
Introducing the pie chart. So this will be the first step, which is on grammar focus. As we can see, the pie chart here consists of grammar focus and the star guide. 1 star referring to there is, 2 stars referring to there are. So, pupils have learned about the pie chart. They're going to use the pie chart as reference to the picture cards. In the picture cards, there are going to be numerals. So the second step will be learning how to write numbers in words. For this innovation, the targeted numerals will be 1 to 20. As you can see in the picture card, we begin with number 1 and they are going to be referenced in the picture cards for pupils. Last but not least, the steps. Number 3 for Tspie kit is to recap the nouns.
How to use this spy kit? Number 1. Do pre-test. What pre-test? This is to say how many pupils know about there is and there are. One pupil finish The pretest data is correct. Correct. From the data, we make a graph.
Once the pre-test is finished, they're going to be introduced with the Tspie kit. In Tspie kit, we have pie chart and the picture cards. As we know, pupils will use the picture cards and look at the star guides given. If they receive picture card with 1 star, they're going to refer to the pie chart and the focus grammar will be there is. So they're going to first write the word or the grammar focus in the writing template, there is. Then they look back at the picture cards and they see how many of the items written or placed in the picture card. If the item is 1, they're going to write the numerals 1. And last but not least, they're going to write the noun. Where can they find the noun is either from their memorization or they can just simply refer to the picture card. Once people have done their intervention, they wrote 10 simple sentences using the intervention. Now is the time for the post-test. The post-test is actually the same pre-test. Once marked, pupils will create another graph. And from the graph, they retrieve the result. And from the result, we know whether the intervention is a success or not. There are 3 instruments used for triangulation. First is pre and post test, second is questionnaire, and third, field note. What are the results? Before pre-test, there are 5 pupils who scored below 5 marks. Meanwhile, after the intervention, almost all pupils scored above 9 marks. For item number 2, which is we use questionnaire to get the results and triangulate the data, we have 3 types of questions and everybody agreed on 3 questions. In conclusion, 10 samples like this Tspie kit. So they believe that this innovation helps them to understand how to use diaries and they are better in writing simple sentences. For the third instrument, using field note, teacher can see and observe that pupils are able to use the kit confidently. To conclude, pupils were able to write simple sentences using there is and there are correctly using this Tspie kit. As a result, pupils have confidence in using the grammar focus independently. That's all from us. Thank you.